one. We're going to divide polynomials and simplify. We have two different types of problems for our polynomials. So for the first one, we're dividing by this. So basically I could actually just, all this is saying is we're dividing by negative 6x squared y. So I'm going to just split this up and put my divisor under each piece, which is negative 6x squared y. And then my numerator, I have 12x squared, y squared, divided by negative 6x squared y. And then minus 18x squared y, divided by negative 6x squared y. All right. So then we just take each term and figure it out. So negative 30 divided by negative 6 is 5. So I divided my coefficients. Y divided by y is just 1. X cubed, so you have 3 x's in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. That gives you just 1 in the numerator. All right. Now we have 12 divided by negative 6. That's a negative 2. So you have plus a negative, so we're just going to put negative 2. X squared divided by x squared is 1. And y squared divided by y is just going to be y. Then we have 18 divided by negative 6 is negative 3. But we have minus a negative 3. You have 2 negatives, so that makes positive 3. And then these x squares cancel because they equal 1. This equals 1. So 1 times 3 is just 3, and this is your final answer. So that's the best way to do these kind of problems when you have these individual monomials. Now for this next one, what we're going to do is long division. So this is my divisor. I'm going to take my divisor and divide my dividend, which is 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. And you ask yourself, what times x gives me 2x squared? And that's going to be 2x, because we're trying to get rid of that. And I try to keep my terms in order here. So basically we're saying 2x times x minus 2. And that's going to give me 2x squared minus 4x. And just like we do with normal division, we're going to subtract. When you subtract, we get rid of that first term, which was our goal. Now we have 3x minus a negative 4x. So that minus a negative means positive, so we get 7x there. Then bring down the negative 4. Then you ask yourself, what times x gives me this first term here? And that's going to be 7. And so we have 7 times x minus 2. That gives me 7x minus 14. Then you subtract. So when you subtract, we get rid of this first term. And then we have negative 4 minus a negative 14, which is 10. That means our remainder is 10. And to write this out, what you're going to do is say, well, what this means is that x minus 2, your divisor, times your quotient, 2x plus 7, plus your remainder, which is 10, so that's how you would write it, equals my dividend of 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. So this would be kind of like your answer there. And just like with this one here, you could say 5 times 5 plus your remainder equals your dividend of 27. We're just doing the same thing. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.